Shit. Damn. Okay. Ooh, high polish. Oh, okay, cool. See, we good. No, that's a little too, but what's up?
Look, big ol' West is heavy. Shake that shit like jelly. Put me on your plate and slurp that shit up like spaghetti. Man, I make this shit look easy. I ain't trying, I just be me. I ain't never met a hoe I felt like I had to compete with.
Alright, I think we good. What's up, guys? It's your girl Aaliyahtee, back with another video, baby. So, I've been gone for a while from YouTube. I had a lot of stuff going on. I was fortunate enough to be a makeup artist on the set of a TV show with HBO. So that was really exciting. I'll give you guys some details about that later. After that, I was just kind of doing some freelancing. I started working on 2 short films. I'm going to be finishing those up. Right now it's October, so this is my busy season. I'm back in Atlanta, and I'm working at Folklore Haunted House. I'm one of the makeup artists and special effects artists. I'll give you guys all the details about all of that stuff later. I'm back in Atlanta. I've been very, very, very grateful to work with some bomb ladies with some of their businesses. We're trying to help support each other and promote each other. And I really respect that, and I thank them, you know, for working with me. One of the companies that I'm working with today is, drum roll please, the Riche Collection. So hopefully I said that right, Riche. She sent me this cute little care package, so I'm going to be unboxing it today with you guys. So let's see what's in here. She has a bomb hair company. She also sells lashes as well. All of her information down below. She shipped it to me a couple days ago, so it got here really, really fast. And it was sent via USP, United States Postal. You see me? Oh my God! This is so cute. So it comes in this cute little purse kind of thing, and it has her name on it, the Riche Collection. And then on the back, that's her Instagram, the Riche Collection, and that's her website as well. So go check her website out. I think this is so cute, guys. Like, packaging gets me immediately. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Girl, I might wear this for real. Like, for real. Like, this double promotion, because you just fold it back up and it's like, what's up? We going to the club. Okay, cool. You feel me? This is really cute. I like this. Alright, guys, and I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to take that jacket off because, sis, it was hot. It's getting hot in here. Had to take off all them clothes. I was getting so hot. Man, I'm gonna take them clothes off. Nah, but really, it was hot as fuck. But back into this hair, this bomb ass hair. Ooh. So it comes in these bags, like individually wrapped, and it tells you. So I have Brazilian Kinky Curly in 16 inches. And then I also have Brazilian Kinky Curly in 14 inches. And then I also have a closure, all right? So we're gonna take it out and see what's up. So it's really cute. She has the collection wrapped all around the bundles. Instead of it just being like a little gold tie or whatever, it says Riche Collection with her logo. That's really, really cute. And then it has her card on there. Riche Collection. And excuse my nails. Like I told y'all, I've been doing the special effects and stuff like that. Like I still have spray paint on my arm from last night that will not come off. So don't think I'm dirty. Like I don't be bathing. Nah, it won't come off. As the lens, what I got. It also has like her information, her phone number, all that stuff like that. So that's really, really cool. I like that. That's really cute. One on the specs of the hair. Okay. It doesn't have a weird smell at all to it. The wefts feel really, really strong. They don't feel like flimsy at all. See, and you actually get a nice whip. Like normally when it's like a shorter bundle anyway, it's pretty fat, but she gives you like a lot. So, and just look at it. Like I bet when I wet this hair, it's gonna be so beautiful. I'm just like running my fingers through this hair. No snags, no tangles. And it's kinky curly, so you can expect that, but y'all, this hair is like beautiful. Like just look at it. Bomb.com. Bomb.com. Let's get to the frontal. The frontal. Let's get to the frontal. The frontal. Why I can't open the frontal? Can't open the frontal. Let's cut open the frontal. The frontal. Cause I didn't have time to fight. Y'all, I like to sing, make songs out of things, if you haven't noticed. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. It's in a net to keep it all protected. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So, it comes with some little baby hairs already that I'm noticing. So, that's bomb. They're not too thick at all. And it comes with the hairline. It looks like it's kind of already pre-plucked. Not that much. You can do a little bit more plucking. But it already looks really bomb to me. Like, y'all. Look at this lace. This lace looks bomb. I'ma still probably bleach it or tint it just to make it my color. But other than that, like the rest of the job is already done for me. It got baby hairs on it. It looks like it's multiple parts. Look at that. Who gonna be wearing a flip over? I'm gonna be wearing a flip over. Maybe like this. Cause as you see, like I'm in the curls right now. So it's gonna be a curly winter. Let me put my lunch bag net back on. Keep it fresh. Keep my lunch fresh till I'm ready to eat. You feel me? Open up the last bundle. Play with it. Inspect it. Things like that. Shnami. Shnami. Alright. Okay, cool. I opened it from this end, but the thing is on this end, so I'm just slow. It's okay. This is the longer bundle. Oh my God, y'all, it is so pretty. Like, I'm just going through so many ideas of what I want to do to this hair. I want to color it. Oh my God. And it looks like if you want to straighten it too, it'll be like bomb. Again, it's a very fat bundle. It smells really good. Not good, but doesn't have like no odor or anything like that. Again, it has her business card, it has the length, and it has like all of her information and things like that on it. Like, this hair feels so bomb. I'm very excited to install it. Like, oh, y'all look. Who gonna be bad? She bad, she bad, she bad. Gucci bad, Fendi bad, Prada bad, Fendi bad. I like that. But yeah. I'm going to make a wig and install this hair. And when I do, I'm going to come back to you guys and give you all the specs, let you guys see. You guys go check out the Riche Collection. Like, she is amazing, Natalya. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. It's very, very cute. All the packaging and things like that. Like, details are amazing to the woman's eye. I really love all these women supporting them and really, really thank them for even believing in themselves to create these businesses and spread all this love and positivity around the world. So that's what we all about 2019 into 2020. Spreading the love, spreading the positivity, women empowerment, hot girl summer, all that. You feel me? So you guys go check her out. And if you see me on the ground with this on in a little picture, mind your business and just check out the Riche Collection. Okay? Okay. All right. Thank y'all so much. Continue to watch my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. And I'll be posting a lot more from now on. Check out my Instagram information down below. Check out the Riche Collection one time again. Stay blessed. Hi, peace.
Look, big ol' ass is heavy. Shake that shit like jelly. Put me
nightmare
on your
on down
plate
the
and
street.
slurp that
This
shit
is
up
playing
like
Friday.
spaghetti. Man, I make this shit look easy. I ain't trying, I just be me. I ain't never met a hoe I felt like I had to compete with. This the type of booty make a nigga drop his bitch. Wait, this the type of ass when I get home, he washing dishes. He wanna ride on the horse, he need to give me the keys to a Porsche. I told him until you finish your dinner, how can I let you leave off for the porch? Boy, let me butter your corn on the car. We give each other more neck than the bar. He like to put a little oil on my ass before we record, so I feel like a star. Rolling like I'm Tina, pussy Aquafina. Make this booty giggle like you Martin and I'm Gina. Put me in designer. Let me meet your mama. If you got another bitch, don't put me in no drama.
Tell the skinny hoes